Remember it. Tell somebody a story, but don't focus on it.
Even jokingly, your mental goal, then
focus
getting the
on
number thing
where
is
you want to
almost
be.
trivial. It's so
Where you want to be.
it's right there. It's a
Keep
simple
your
step,
focus.
but along the way of a much bigger
Energy
goal.
goes
That what you're doing is, you're shooting for the moon and settling for the stars. It's an old Italian saying, which I like. And even if you fail for that, pursue that big goal, which is to, get the shotgun
if you focus on screw-ups, then that's where the energy
getting the number part.
Focus on positive stuff.
Another thing, external technique, something you can actually do, is use what I call the Langer effect. And Ellen Langer is a fabulous, great social psychologist from Harvard. And she's done a lot of really interesting experiments. The one that I think is pretty famous is the coffee machine experiment, in which she had experimental subjects go up to the coffee machine where there's a line, and they would say, "Excuse me, may I cut in line?" And if they just go up and say, "May I cut in line?" they get about a 50 to 60%. Now, if they go up and they say, "Excuse me, may I cut in line? I have 5 copies to make for..." And suddenly
set the world on fire. Let it be brighter, for it's yours tonight.
Why would you do both?
We are young.
Why would you go home?
How do you know the guy's done
Tonight.
Why would you go home? Why would you go home? Nowhere else we can go. It's a good send of money because it's too late. We go to Hollywood. It's not too late.
All right, Dad. Okay, Dad, number 2.